Ever wondered why Amish quilts cost $5,000 when IKEA sells quilts for $50? It's not price gouging, but 100 to 300 hours of skilled hand labor, creating 500,000 to 700,000 individual stitches at 12 to 16 stitches per inch. This is heirloom craftsmanship that modern manufacturing cannot replicate, creating textile art lasting 100+ years compared to machine quilts failing within a decade.
Pattern selection.
The quilt creation begins with selecting a traditional pattern passed through generations, each design carrying cultural meaning and requiring mathematical precision that determines the complexity, beauty, and value of the finished piece. Traditional patterns have names reflecting their origins: double wedding ring celebrating marriage with interlocking circles, log cabin commemorating pioneer homes, lone star featuring an 8-pointed star representing guidance. The piece count varies dramatically. A simple 9-patch uses only 81 squares. A complex double wedding ring uses 200 to 400 curved pieces. A lone star uses 200 to 600 diamond-shaped pieces requiring perfect angles. The mathematical precision is critical. Diamonds in a lone star must be cut at exactly 60-degree angles. Even 1 degree off creates gaps when assembled. Curves in double wedding ring must match perfectly or the rings won't close properly. This planning takes 4 to 6 hours for complex patterns, requiring hundreds of precisely shaped pieces. The Amish woman draws the pattern to scale, calculates piece counts, and creates cardboard templates for cutting fabric. No computer programs, no digital tools, no purchased templates. Color selection follows cultural guidelines using solid colored fabrics in jewel tones, deep blues, purples, greens, reds, and blacks, creating bold graphic designs in established combinations known to create pleasing visual effects. Fabric preparation. Fabric preparation involves purchasing high-quality, 100% cotton fabrics, pre-washing them to prevent shrinkage, and cutting 200 to 400 individual pieces by hand using scissors and cardboard templates. Amish quilters use 100% cotton exclusively. No polyester blends, no synthetic materials. The cotton is solid colors, purchased at $3 to $6 per yard. A queen-size quilt requires 20 to 30 yards of various colors, making fabric costs $200 to $400 before any labor begins. Pre-washing happens immediately after purchasing. Each piece is washed in hot water and dried to shrink fabric before cutting, preventing the finished quilt from shrinking unevenly after first washing. This adds 4 to 6 hours, but prevents disasters. The cutting is entirely manual. The quilter traces cardboard templates on fabric and cuts each piece individually using scissors. No rotary cutters, no acrylic rulers, just scissors, templates, and steady hands. Precision is extreme. A piece cut even 1/8 inch wrong won't fit properly with adjacent pieces. The cutting time for complex quilts totals 8 to 12 hours. A double wedding ring with 350 pieces requires 10 to 12 hours of careful cutting.
Hand piecing.
The piecing process, sewing individual fabric pieces together to create the quilt top, is done entirely by hand, using running stitches at 12 to 16 stitches per inch, requiring 40 to 80 hours of meticulous work. Modern quilters use sewing machines, completing in hours what takes Amish quilters days or weeks. But hand piecing creates superior results. The stitches are more flexible, seams are less bulky, and the work has softness and drape that machine piecing cannot achieve. The running stitch is deceptively simple. The needle goes down through fabric, travels beneath the surface, and comes back up, creating a line of small, even stitches. The stitch length is consistent at 12 to 16 stitches per inch, meaning each stitch spans 1/16 to 1/12 of an inch. Achieving this consistency requires years of practice developing muscle memory. The seam allowance is precisely 1/4 inch maintained throughout piecing. The quilter judges this distance by eye, maintaining exact distance through hundreds of seams without measuring tools. Precision matching at seam intersections determines quality. Seams must align perfectly, creating crisp points and clean pattern lines. The stitch count during piecing is staggering. Each seam is 4 to 8 inches long at 12 to 16 stitches per inch, meaning 48 to 128 stitches per seam. A quilt with 200 seams contains 9,600 to 25,600 piecing stitches. Complex patterns with 400 seams contain 19,200 to 51,200 piecing stitches. Piecing time varies by pattern. A simple 9-patch requires 20 to 30 hours. A log cabin requires 40 to 60 hours. An elaborate double wedding ring or Lone Star requires 60 to 80 hours. Working 2 to 3 hours daily, piecing alone consumes 3 to 6 weeks. Quilt sandwich. Once the quilt top is pieced, it's assembled with batting and backing into the 3-layer sandwich that will be quilted together. The batting is the middle insulating layer. Traditional Amish quilters use cotton batting, natural fiber that breathes, washes well, and lasts decades. The batting costs $30 to $60 for queen size. The backing requires 5 to 8 yards of cotton fabric, costing $25 to $50. Assembly begins by spreading backing fabric wrong side up on the floor. The backing is smoothed flat, batting is laid on top, and the quilt top is placed right side up on the batting. Basting holds the 3 layers together using long running stitches in a grid pattern across the entire quilt at 6 to 12-inch intervals. The quilter starts in the center working outward, creating vertical then horizontal lines forming a grid securing the layers. Basting time is 3 to 5 hours for a queen-size quilt. This investment is worthwhile because poorly basted quilts develop wrinkles during quilting that cannot be removed. Hand quilting. The quilting process, sewing through all 3 layers with tiny running stitches, is the most time-intensive phase, requiring 60 to 150 hours, producing 30,000 to 100,000 quilting stitches that transform the piece into a finished heirloom quilt. Quilting stitches are smaller than piecing stitches, typically 8 to 12 stitches per inch. Each stitch spans about 1/12 to 1/8 of an inch, roughly the width of a pencil lead. Creating stitches this small and keeping them even requires years of practice. The quilting hoop holds the quilt layers taut while stitching, typically 14 to 18 inches in diameter, repositioned as sections are completed. The quilting pattern might follow the pieced pattern, outlining each piece 1/4 inch from seams, or create independent designs like feathers, cables, flowers, or geometric patterns. The actual quilting involves the needle entering the top, passing through batting and backing, and returning to the surface in a single rocking motion. The quilter's dominant hand guides from above, while the other hand beneath feels for the needle point and helps push it back up. This coordination develops through hundreds of hours of practice. An experienced quilter achieves 80 to 120 stitches per hour when working complex patterns, roughly 1.5 to 2 stitches per minute. Less experienced quilters achieve 60 to 80 stitches per hour. A queen-size quilt measuring 90 by 90 inches contains 8,100 square inches. With quilting lines spaced 2 inches apart, there would be approximately 180 lines, totaling 16,200 inches of quilting. At 10 stitches per inch, this equals 162,000 quilting stitches. Actual quilting time for most Amish quilts is 60 to 150 hours. Simple outline quilting requires 60 to 80 hours. Elaborate feather patterns require 120 to 150 hours. Working 2 to 4 hours daily, quilting alone spans 4 to 10 weeks. Stitch mathematics. The total stitch count in an Amish quilt easily exceeds 500,000 individual hand stitches and potentially reaches 700,000 or more in complex pieces. A moderately quilted Amish quilt contains 20,000 to 30,000 piercing stitches plus 100,000 to 150,000 quilting stitches, totaling 120,000 to 180,000 stitches. Heavily quilted pieces contain 30,000 to 50,000 piecing stitches, plus 200,000 to 300,000 quilting stitches, totaling 230,000 to 350,000 stitches. Masterpiece quilts with extremely dense quilting contain 40,000 to 60,000 piecing stitches, plus 400,000 to 600,000 quilting stitches, totaling 440,000 to 660,000 stitches. The conclusion is clear. Amish quilts contain hundreds of thousands and potentially more than 500,000 individual hand stitches, each one placed deliberately over 100 to 300 hours of concentrated work. Labor value. The financial value of labor invested in Amish quilts is enormous when calculated at standard hourly rates, revealing that typical sale prices dramatically undervalue the work. The time investment ranges from 100 to 300 hours. Simple patterns with simple quilting require 100 to 150 hours. Moderate patterns with moderate quilting require 150 to 225 hours. Complex patterns with elaborate quilting require 225 to 300 hours. At $25 per hour, reasonable for skilled manual labor, 100 hours equals $2,500. 150 hours equals $3,750. 200 hours equals $5,000. 250 hours equals $6,250. And 300 hours equals $7,500. At $50 per hour, reflecting the actual skill level required, 100 hours equals $5,000. 150 hours equals $7,500. 200 hours equals $10,000. 250 hours equals $12,500. And 300 hours equals $15,000. When material costs of $200 to $500 are added, the true cost ranges from $2,700 to $15,500. Actual sale prices are substantially lower. Twin-size quilts sell for $1,200 to $2,500. Queen or full-size quilts sell for $2,000 to $5,000. King-size quilts sell for $3,000 to $8,000. Masterpiece quilts sell for $5,000 to $12,000. These prices represent effective hourly rates of $10 to $30, far below the $50 per hour that skilled craft labor commands. The Amish accept these rates because they're not running professional businesses seeking maximum profit, but practicing traditional craft producing supplemental household income. Professional non-Amish quilters charge $80 to $150 per hour, or $15,000 to $30,000 for queen-size custom quilts with comparable work. The Amish can price lower because they have minimal overhead, no business licensing, marketing costs, retail expenses, or employee wages. Generational skills. The skill level required is acquired through decades of progressive training, beginning in early childhood and accumulating 10,000 or more hours of practice. Learning begins at age 6 to 8 when girls learn basic running stitch. They make doll quilts, small 12 by 12-inch pieces with simple patterns, developing foundational hand-eye coordination. By age 10 to 12, girls work on simple quilts under supervision, learning consistent seam allowances and even stitches. The work is evaluated and corrected. Crooked seams must be redone. Uneven stitches are pointed out until they improve. At age 14 to 16, girls complete entire quilts independently, though mothers still supervise complex techniques. The teenager's first major quilt might be for her hope chest. By age 18 to 20, the young woman produces master-level work indistinguishable from experienced quilters. She has invested 12 to 14 years accumulating thousands of hours, developing muscle memory and judgment. If a girl practices 3 to 5 hours weekly from age 8 to 20, she accumulates 1,870 to 3,120 hours. More intensive practice, 10 hours weekly in mid to late teens, accumulates 6,240 hours over 12 years. Adding hours